a full moon. I mean, not the full moon, but the whole image of the moon. I could do that. So I got to tell you, I spent probably a good hour this afternoon setting up OBS and this, and I practiced everything with connections. The only thing I couldn't really practice was connecting to the telescope. So, oh, oh, the audio just started. So the audio just started. This is so weird. The audio just started in YouTube somehow, which is really weird. So now I need to let people know, which means I hear myself, which is really bizarre. Alrighty, so why did it stop? Probably because there's a delay. It's gonna drive me nuts hearing myself like this. Um, I need to be able to share this. Let me go to both again. Um, There we go. Oh. Okay, now I got it. Now it's working. I don't know why it wasn't working. I guess I'll have to listen to myself, which I guess is okay. Oh, maybe not. I can do that. Alrighty. Is Mars out tonight? No, Mars hasn't been out for a while. It's pretty much below the horizon. RR, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Um, oh, cool. All right. So I can't tell. Oh, now I'm hearing myself again. Right now, let me do a couple things here, and then I'm going to pick another galaxy. I don't remember the window of Mars viewing. So, I think that's JS. Use a star map or a star app. I use Stellarium, and that will work for you. Why is my camera moving? That's weird. I didn't move it. It moved on its own. Okay, what's going on here? Dude, oh, I needed that. That was weird. Do. All right, so we are live on YouTube. That's working. And be right back probably. Any good telescopes for suburbia that can resolve galaxies? Okay, so you're going to want a smart telescope like the Seestar. There's also the Dwarf Mini, which is about 400 bucks. And and there's some other ones, but I'd say from $400 up. Venus is I think Venus is below my field of view for now. So, yeah, I know, smart galaxy. Hang on a second. I almost. There we go. See if anybody joins from there. So, are you guys ready for another galaxy? Are we ready for another galaxy? Do. Let me do the Seestar full real quick. Hopefully I don't lose my audio. Nope, that's still going. Good. So that's the full view. We've been going for an hour and 7 minutes. So that's pretty good. Would you believe in making an artificial planet in the future and why? No. Now I did have one issue with this. My phone that's displaying. Oh, I know why I'm hearing myself. Hang on. There we go. Okay, now I don't hear myself. So the phone I'm mirroring my phone to my computer for both images here. Well, one's a mirror, one's a transmit, and I'm using my old S9, my Samsung S9 for the Seestar, and for a while it wasn't working. So I am gonna stop this, and you can kind of see the process here. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, and we're gonna see if we can find a nebula to look at. All right. I know space is freaking cool. There's so much out there. All right. So we're going to go back. We're going to pick what am I showing in this view? Okay. We're going to pick, let me do this. Hang on so you can see both here. All right. So we're going to go stargazing. Oh, that's not what I want. Shoot, sorry. That's not what I wanted to do. Wait, actually we did. I did want that. But why is it not going to bump? Oh, I should probably go plug in my thing. Why? So this is weird. They changed the software and then I forgot how to use it, or I don't know how to use it. I should be able to see. I should be able to see. God, what did they do? Do I have to stop it here? This is so weird. Wow, this is embarrassing. They changed it around. So in this view, I should be able to see. Under stargazing. I should be able to see galaxies and nebula, and it's not showing it. There's the solar system. I can bring the moon up on this again real quick on this one, but I don't want to do that. I feel like it's still. I feel like it's doing something that I don't want it to do. Well, I guess I could do it this way. We'll go here. We'll go to the Sky Atlas and see what we can pull up. So let me go full moon here. Let's go full moon. Do 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 do. Ooh, that's really bright. I wonder what's causing that. I might be able to focus that a little better. Let's see, objects. Okay, here we go. I don't know why I couldn't do it before. All right, let's find a nebula. What's a good one is monkey head if it's within view. No, it's kind of low in the sky. Everything's kind of low in the sky. Owl Nebula is there, but it's too far away. Cat's Eye is a really cool one, but it's really small and far away. We might not have many galaxies to look at unless it's in the south. Something I need in the south or the north. I might just have to find another galaxy. What is going on? Let's try this one. Let's go here. This is M106. It's just a spiral galaxy, and we'll see what that does. And I'm gonna go check the focus on the moon real quick. It looks like it could be off a little bit. So, you got into astronomy because of a specific star. Oh, Betelgeuse. Wow, that's a cool reason. You got a beautiful a beautiful view of Venus. Nice. Where in the sky is it? I think it's too low for me. Can't wait for Artemis 4. Yeah, you and me both. What got you into astronomy? Well, I'm 65 for starters, so I'm as old as some of these galaxies. No, no, no. No. Okay, here we go. So this one's going. All right, this one you're going to see build. This might look might not see a lot here, but you're going to see it build. What got me into it? I've always been interested. I've had telescopes growing up, and I have just never, until just last year, got some decent gear. So, but last year, or in the fall of 2024, there was that comet to Hushahan or something like that. I know Fosbuckle could spell it out for me. I don't remember what it's called. But I can zoom in on this a little bit too. It'll take a while for it to come in though. But like you saw, the other one was up for an hour. I might go plug in the battery. I'm at 71% on the Seestar, so I might go plug that in. But that comet, I went to a field and I was there with my phone and my binoculars, and all I could think of was I wish I had a telescope. And hey, thanks for the heart me, thanks for the rose. Sorry if I didn't see that earlier, and I apologize for not catching all the chat. So let me go check the focus on that, which means I'm going to switch mics again. So hopefully you can hear me. It's actually starting to get a little chilly here. Alrighty, can you hear me? You can still be able to hear me. I may not see the chat because I turned that off. Oops. So give me a second. Let me just go check the focus. the way I want. I'm gonna have to. What I'm gonna do is set it up one night and just play with it until I get it, and then go live, no matter how long it takes. So this particular Galaxy is not that interesting. Um, Let me switch cameras again. Do 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 do. Bum, bum. I mean, sorry, did I say switch cameras? I meant switch microphones. Alrighty, and we're back. Why does the moon look like a desert? Well, it's not much there. It's just a bunch of craters. Oh, I forgot to close that window, that little bar. And you can see it's moving. I feel like I'm still zoomed in. You know what? Let me go back there. I'm sorry. Oh, I love this song. Let me go back there real quick. Hang on. There's a lot of moving parts here. Beautiful night though. I'm trying to see if there's any. Probably try and get a star, but it's Jupiter. It's just so freaking cool. So badly want to show that to you guys. I'm gonna try it again, but I don't think it's gonna be. It's not gonna be centered, and it's not gonna be. Um, it's not gonna be in focus because I can see the bands. I'm not loving this Galaxy either, but oh well. Oh, I didn't plug it in. Let me go plug in the battery for the Seestar, although it's at 70%. Um, Now this is going to be challenging because alrighty. Power. This should be long enough. I'm not going to move it, so I'm standing right next to it. There we go. Now it's got some juice. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Like I said, there's a lot of moving parts here. So, and I'm back. Alrighty. So let's see. Hey, loved. Well, we are working on a spiral galaxy that's not coming in too great. I did spend over an hour. Well, I wasn't live for the hour, but I spent an hour on the Bodes and cigar galaxies. Not doing meteors tonight, although I guess I kind of could. Is anyone seeing any meteors tonight? I could. I could give you a potential meteor view. Um, Now the YouTube people won't see that, but So I'm gonna have to do this there. Okay, so now my YouTube video should be back, or my YouTube audio should be back. Steps right up to the microphone. Where's my YouTube window? I don't know if anybody's watching that. I can't tell. Oops. Let's see, make sure the audio's working. Wonder why my headset stopped working. That's pretty bizarre. Oh, I don't know why. Hopefully the audio will come back. Do 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 do. Oh, I got my audio. I got to turn this back on. Okay, it's working. Alrighty. I just can't tell if anybody's watching or not. So, hey, if you're watching on YouTube, put something in the chat for me so I can see it. Ba-da-dum bum bum ba-dum bum. Do 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 do. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, there we go. All right. Alrighty. Where are we at? So I'm not loving this Galaxy, guys. It is just nothing, not coming in enough, not developing, if you will. You try something else. Oh, it looks like we have. Well, you can't see it, but it looks like I have a satellite trail. Can I bring that down at all? Well, trust me, there's a satellite trail at the top of the image, but I got it blocked off, so um, so the image would fit in here. Do, 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 do. Oh, maybe I can do it this way. No, no, it's at the top. Oh, now it's gone. So weird. That was weird. All right. Well, what it does is it deletes those images. So, hey, thank you for the heart meet and the Go Popular. Appreciate that. Sorry if I missed that. The moon is still kind of staying in view. Sort of, kind of, sort of. Let me lower it a little bit. I can try. I'll tell you what, I'm going to try. Since I can get to the moon pretty easy, let's see if I can find at least a star again. Oh no! Hate phone problems. Well, I got 3 phones in front of me, if that helps. Alrighty, so let's find. I'll tell you, I'll have it go to Jupiter, but I don't think we're going to stay there. Let me do the both views here. See, it pops in there for a second, and yeah, it doesn't want to stay. Right, how about another star? How about Pollux? Let's see if it'll center in on that. I don't know why it has trouble with Jupiter. Do 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 do. Okay, so that's it. Oh, it's so tiny. So that's Pollux right there in the left corner at the top. That's going to go out of view in just a second. So the same thing that was happening with Jupiter. So I don't know why. I don't know why I cannot keep it centered. All right, so we're going to go back to the moon because that's all I'm going to have good luck with today. Do, 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 do. Oh, this came on yesterday too. All right, and now I should be able to bring it into view a little bit better. I always get the directions mixed up because with mirrors, it changes the direction of where we're looking here. Let me speed up the slewing. Oh, wrong way. See, I went the wrong way. There we go. Do, 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 do. All right, I'm going to find another galaxy, guys, because well, that's weird. That's not right. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. do 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 do. All right, let's see if we can find us another galaxy because this is not working for me. So Mayor, maybe you can help me out with this. So when I go, this is kind of new. I kind of remember seeing this continuous capture last time, which I guess is what we want to do. And then we're in preview mode. But when I go back to here, oh, maybe now it'll do because there's nothing there. I'll see if it does it this time. Okay, there we go. This is what I wanted before, and it wasn't it wasn't working for me. Where's Whirlpool? Ooh, maybe we can get that. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. All righty. Let's see. Bow, bow, ba, da, da. Bow, bow, ba, bow, bow, ba, bow, bow, bow. Alrighty, so Whirlpool's pretty good. This might take about 15 minutes or so. Oh, thank you for the heart me. Appreciate it. Why is my headset not available still? Let me unplug it and plug it in somewhere else. I think I could probably plug it in here. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's just a little thing I'm using here. Okay, let's see if it's working. It's still not working. Oh, did I hit the mute button on here? That's a possibility. I'm pretty good at doing that. Nope, wasn't muted. It doesn't want to work either. Huh. That is so weird. This is I guess I have another headset, but I don't know why this stopped working. Let me remove it and then I'll re-add it. Bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum 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 bum. Okay, it sees it there. Okay, now you're gonna have double audio. Let me mute this one. Hopefully you still hear me. There we go. M51, yes. Working on the Whirlpool Galaxy. Oh, so where I'm sitting now, this is cool because I just came into view. I'm sitting on my front porch, um, and I can now see Jupiter and the moon right from where I'm sitting. Or I couldn't see it before because the roof line was in the way. So I guess I just had to remove the microphone and reset it again. Oh, and I can zoom in again on this. So I think my sister's got an iPhone. I got to check with her. She still wants to sell it to me. I think I'm going to get it. I was debating, but with this way this phone is working now, I definitely want to get it. So, oh, I'll have to figure something out. Like I said, there's a lot of moving parts. Let's see. So we don't need to see my camera anymore. Let me see if I can. Let me bring in. I'll tell you what. Let's bring in. Let's bring in. My what do you call it? Camera. My meteor camera. Bum, 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 bum. Sorry for the brightness there. I got a lot of moving parts here. Two cameras, three cameras if you include my PC camera. I don't want to manage my plan. Come on. There we go. We want the North 4K. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is the one. Oh, I'm not doing it through the. Here, let me do it this way. Window capture. So I'm building a what do you call it? A view in OBS. All right, I'll be right here. What's up, Danstronaut? How you doing? You still hear the echo? Wait, something. I know my microphone is. Are you still hearing an echo? I think I have one mic turned off. Yeah, you should only hear one microphone. But I do have my, hopefully that takes care of the echo, if it wasn't already gone. Okay, and then I want to get Google Chrome. Okay. I'm trying to set up this so I can do it this way. Oop, that's not the right button. Why would I hit that button? So, let me do this. Create a new one here. Paste that there. Oh, wait, paste. Paste reference. So I'm going to try and do something here and give you a large view of my Wise camera. But I'm setting it up, so bear with me here. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Oh, I also have to put it in 4K. Shoot. Hang on. So many moving parts. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. Where's my North Cam, Dave? There we go. Alrighty, now it's in 4K, but doesn't look. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the. Here comes the. I just want to see that I can do it. Oh, I got one in there twice. That's not right. Um, we don't need one of these. We don't need. I'm gonna say this one. Nope, not that one. This one. We don't need that one. There we go. All right. So if that's too much and you want to go to the full view or something, let me know. Oh, look at the whirlpool coming in all nice. Let's go look at that full. So let's look at that full screen. So this was the Whirlpool Galaxy, and we're only at 5 minutes, but it's coming in nicely. So that's kind of cool. Won't you please take me home? Yeah, yeah. Take me home. All righty. So that's kind of cool. I like this one. I meant to do. I meant to clear out the hard drive on the Seestar before I started, but I forgot. But I still think there was like 30 some odd gig left, so we should be good. Oh man. Um, Dan, are you still hearing an echo? I haven't. Don't know if it's gone or not. I think it should be gone. You guys don't hear an echo, do you? Bow, bow, bow. Oh, I don't have the. Why don't I have the? Oh, because we're full screen. That's why. We can do this one too. Let's see. We can do this view, the moon and the meteor camera, but it'll be hard to see meteors too on that small view. But you never know. I wish I could zoom in remotely, but I cannot do that. I'm gonna have to. Oh, maybe. Oh no, I can't. Be cool if I could, but I can't. I really wanted to get Jupiter, man. I feel so bad. Oh, I have to turn motion tracking off on my camera because it's moving around, but that's all right. Let's go to. Always do this. I could probably put the, you know what? I could probably put the moon in there and fill up a good chunk of it. Let's try that. Let me copy and then put it in here. Nope, that's not what I want to do. And we're gonna rotate it. Do 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 do. And we're gonna put it up at the top. Or do we want it down at the bottom? Oh, sorry about that. Maybe that's better. There we go. Hey, I'm just sending a quick text for a bit. Alrighty. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum. All right, how's that view? How's that look? You guys can hear me, right? Because nobody's typed anything in a bit. Let me know if you can hear me. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum. On the what do you call it? Why does it take so long for it to load an image? Hmm. Well, if you're talking about the video itself, so there's a little bit of delay from the live. So I'm talking to some of the YouTube people. There's a delay. Oh, the whirlpool. Okay, so because it's so far away. So if you see that clock down at the bottom, let me move that over. So that little timer down at the bottom, it's taking 20-second exposures over and over and over again. And this is called stacking. And every time it takes that 20-second exposure, it gets brighter and clearer. And that's what that's doing. Um, Hopefully that helps. It's not live video. I need a much more powerful telescope and camera to be able to do that. Maybe not so much a telescope as a camera. They do make cameras where you can do that, but they're about $2,000. So, and you can see it live, but it doesn't look as clear as this does. Um, and then I can also take these pictures offline and then stack them separately in a separate software. But the Seestar does a pretty good job of it. But this is called live stacking. Hopefully that helps. Um, I had a bunch of people on what do you call it on TikTok, but a bunch of them dropped off. So yes, stacking, correct. So now what you might see in this view is like if a satellite goes by, you'll see a line. It'll capture a line, and that can come out. What else? The moon would be live. The moon would be live video, because it's so much closer. Um, so I could do that. I could point this at the moon, but it's, I will get the full moon in it too, um, and that will be live video. So the moon and the sun and scenery view would be live video versus live stacking. So, but this is what the smart telescopes do. They're made for imaging like this. And from an astrophotography uh, thought, or astrophotography, what's the word I'm looking for? Um, Visualization. It's uh, inexpensive compared to what it would cost to add it to like my other telescope. So, all right. So not seeing any meteors. If we are, I can't see them anyway in that view. But we can go live view. Well, I want Seestar X emitter. Why don't I have the Seestar in that view? That's interesting. Do I have to need to add it? Oh, it's this view. That's why. There we go. There's all three. Let's see if I can move the moon a little bit. Why is that? Oh, it's gone up a little bit. So yeah, kind of a slow night. Just had a couple people on YouTube, but that was more for practice anyway. Do. It's got chilly, man. It was warm before. I'm glad I got my hoodie on out here because it got chilly. I need something to warm up my butt. I'm sitting on this cold plastic chair. So, so where'd everybody go? I don't think I got a violation for not being like, what's the word I'm looking for? For not being engaging. Hey, you're back. Um, yeah, kind of a slow night here, Blue Eye Girl. Hmm. Not sure where everybody went. Let's see if I get the moon in view just a little bit more. Nope, not that way. There we go. That's better. Okay, stay. Don't move. Shouldn't be moving that much. Should be staying on it pretty good. Ba-da-da. I think I might have to go grab another jacket. I'm getting cold, and I'm wearing very thin pants. I was not prepared. La-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-dum. Wonder what other galaxies are out there. Um, ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Bobby Biggie, missed you too, Blue Eyed. I haven't been live as much though, because the weather here has been horrible. Um, so many clouds, so cold. Um, but I guess I knew that was going to happen. Um, but nothing I can do about it. It's warming up, so I'll be out more. Tomorrow night is iffy. The weather is going to be iffy. Plus, I got a volunteering event dinner tomorrow night, so I'm gonna go to that. That goes till 9, but I'll probably be close to 10 by the time I get home. So one of my neighbors is stopping by and looking. Hi, I don't know who it is. Dump bump bump bump. They pulled off in front of my house. I think they waved. I don't know. It's dark. I couldn't tell. All right, the moon looks like it's pretty steady now. All right, so let's go find another galaxy. Well, you know what I didn't do? Oh, I guess can I do that here? I need more phones. Hey, hey, Bobby McGee. Can I do? Can I repost? Yeah, I guess I can. Let's try that. Oh, couldn't repost. Great. Well then, never mind. So, hmm. Ba-bum, ba-dum. That's a good song. Love me some Boston. What? Oh, I bet you I'm in the wrong account. Well, I am. I am in the wrong account. No, we're not. All right, I'll pick another Galaxy in a minute. You need a phone that works properly. What kind of phone do you have? iPhone or um, iPhone or Samsung or something else? No, no. Oh, oh, bummer. Um, bum 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 bum. Oh, what else? Do 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 do. You. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I don't know how you recover from that. You have to get a new phone number too, and all that, or um. Soon I know. I used to be able to see myself live, and now I can't. That's interesting. Very weird. Let me go. Don't want to lose you. I'm not going to sing because I can't sing. Ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have much of a YouTube audience, so I don't think my Facebook friends want to see it. I think they're happy for me that I'm doing this, but they don't care. And if you're listening, I'm so sorry. Oh man. Hey Gene, what's going on? Welcome back. How are you? Slowly. My Facebook account got hacked 2 years ago, I think. And luckily I got really lucky. He doesn't work there anymore, but there's a guy that used to work for the company that I work for now. He left and went to go work for Facebook, and he was in Ireland. And I reached out to him, and he was able to get my account back. I got hacked and got, you know, I forgot, it was in somebody else's name. I can't remember who it was, but there was a lot of people getting it. And he was able to get my account back. Thank goodness. So, hey, how did the Tigers do? How the Tigers do tonight? They were winning when I was watching earlier, and they won 5-2. Good deal. Woohoo! So I don't think we're seeing any meteors. I'll probably get rid of the meteor view, but let's find a new galaxy. All right. Let's see what else is out there. I'm going to go full screen to the moon. Well, kind of full screen to the moon. We'll do that view. Um, oh, I love seeing these images come through. Do, 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 do. Oh, I just had the stick song in my head. That would be funny if that played. Let's see if any other nebula got close. Nebulas are kind of cool, but there's nothing. Everything's really low in the sky. What is going on with that? We could do. Ooh, oh no, that's not what I thought it was. How about the vacuum cleaner galaxy? I know Fosbuckle's gotten that one before. Did I say vacuum cleaner? Vacuum cleaner. Croc's Eye. Oh, I've never done that one. Surfboard. Let's try this one. It's in the east. I should be able to get it because it's high enough. But I didn't see how far away it was. But it's pretty high in the sky, so we shall see. 250624. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Okay, so it looks really tiny already. Let's bring it up. Oh, so your phone got hacked. Your phone got hacked, or Facebook got hacked, or both. All right, so this is, forgot which galaxy it was already. M94 Croc's Eye Galaxy. How far away is it? I don't know. It's far. Oops, gotta close that. Sorry, but that's the Croc's Eye Galaxy. Not much to look at, but we'll let it go for a little while. Ba-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Wait, what? Which one am I on? You can follow back. I'm already following her. Bow 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 da bow 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 bow. Ah, your phone. I'm getting myself a laptop. Oh yeah. Um, TikTok doesn't work as great on the laptop. But you can still look at I think you can still see lives and you can certainly watch videos. So um, but it's not as clean as the app. Doesn't work as well as the app does. Ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Ba-dum, bum, ba-bum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum. I wonder if that's still being an issue. Huh, I don't know. A laptop. Metal. What's up, kid? Welcome back. So let's go back to this view, the moon and that. We can let the Seestar do its thing. Hmm. Ooh, how'd the Pistons do? Did they win? Ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da. They're in the playoffs. They're clinched first place. Oops, wrong one. And yeah, they won. Whew, 98-83. All right, Pistons are on fire this year. I'll use the phone for lives. Want my YouTube back? Oh yeah, yeah. I lost access to one of my YouTube account, my first one. I can still get to it, but I can't do anything with it because I accidentally deleted the email, the Hotmail email address that I was using that was assigned to it. So I can't do anything with it. I have to try reaching out to Google again. I don't know if that'll work or not. Ooh, 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 ooh. Um, I'm not loving this view. That looks a little better. All right, let me go full screen to the camera, which really was didn't want to do. So that black space off to the left is pointing basically at Bode's galaxy. And got the right microphone? Yeah. With the Seestar. So let's do that. Whoever hacked me turned on studio. Now everyone thinks I'm a creator. Well, you are a creator. If you are they still using your account? I mean, they're not using your account anymore, right? I'm gonna turn this off too. Oh, oh no, I'll do it here. I can do this. Oh, this will be good. Oh, actually, I got a good idea here. Transform, rotate, 90 degrees. Hello. Why isn't it rotating? Transform, rotate 90 degrees. There we go. There, we can do this. We can turn off the transmitter. There we go. So there's the camera and whatever Galaxy I said I was getting. I forgot what Galaxy it was, guys. Anyone remember? All right, I think I'm gonna shut down my Celestron. Sadly, but I can still talk to you, and I lost a phone. Oh, is this it? No, I didn't lose a phone. Let me do this. Let me do this. Yeah, I'm gonna pack up my seat by Celestron. Van Halen kid, give me a minute. I'll tell you, I'll put some Van Halen on for you. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. As soon as I find the right window. I have to go. I'm gonna pack up my what do you call it? My Celestron, but it's a lot easier now because I have it set up on a cart. I'm gonna play a couple of Van Halen songs. While I get this going here. Alrighty, running with the devil. Oh, good. I was thinking about that. Hopefully they'll get to your bank. That's cool. Alrighty, let me go to my Celestron. I'm still gonna talk to you guys. You know what? Let me get into my other account here. That way I can look for chat. I don't think anybody's watching on YouTube. Nope, probably just me. Um, that's depressing. Bum, 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 bum. I know my family's all asleep, so it's a work night. Shoot, I got to work tomorrow. What am I even thinking? I'll leave this running while I pack up the Celestron, but it shouldn't be too long because I don't have to take it apart. I just have to take out a few pieces. Um, so align telescope. No, I don't need to align it. All right, let me let's come along for the ride. The centering was it can come off. Let me come back to the computer real quick. You can still hear me. Just let me know that you can still hear me. That would be helpful. I'm pretty sure you can. I do see the mic moving, so that's good. But I am not looking at the chat so as often as I should. So, and Van Halen should still be playing. Kid, I hope you're enjoying that. I'm going to let that play while I am setting up, or while I'm tearing down, I mean. Welcome back. And you know what I'll do? Instead of this camera, let me do this. Oh, it's so cold. Got so cold. Oh, that's not good. That's not a good view. I need my other phone that's sitting over there. Hang on. And that's not even in 4K anymore. Oh, everything's falling apart. I gotta send the other camera. There we go. Now we're back. Now we're talking. All right. So I need to unlock my wheels and put it back. Well, I guess I could throw it on there. Just have to be very careful moving it, but it works. Saves me a lot of time, especially on the cleanup part. Around the, oh, I'm gonna take the battery off. I don't need that extra weight. So that here, I'll bring that in the house. Galaxies coming in. My neighbor, who's pretty handy, helped me. Come back. You guys can hopefully still hear me. Hopefully you're even still there because I'm not looking. Um, like I said, there's a lot of moving parts here. And I think maybe I'm just trying to take on too much. So maybe I need to not do that. Maybe I need to just do either the Seestar or the Celestron. But what I'm going to do next time is really work on getting that camera to work because that's what I want to do. So, so this little Galaxy, whatever it is not coming in. Not much to it. Kind of, it's very bright though. We could do a denoise on it. Let's see how that works. Okay, that's gonna take 80 seconds. That's not good. Can I have something else come up in the meantime? I can go to the other camera. Okay, what did I do with that phone? I think that's over here. Tripod camera. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. I got the stick song stuck in my head. Okay, there's the 4K. Right. Maybe on some high cloud. My house is going to be a mess. This astronomy hobby is really taking a toll on my house. It's not dirty, it's just messy. What he's going to do for me that will help a little bit is on my porch. Um, I have to run a cable through the window for the network and also for the powers around the corner on the side of the house. We're going to put an outlet right behind me and a network connection. So so that we can oh, here's the denoise version. Okay, that got cleaned up a little bit. Still kind of bright, but still. All right, let's do one more because I still got some cleaning up to do. Um, let's find us one more galaxy to look at or something. That's not bad. I mean, that would probably take a lot of time for it to get cleaned up, though. It is pretty far away, but it's one I've never got before, so I always like that. Oh, there's a freaking mosquito running across my screen here. Get away. Hope I don't bring any in. All right, let's find one more to look at. Well, how about a cluster? There's no comets out now. Ooh, that would be cool. What is that? Nope, can't do that. There's no comets. One comet's available. Oh, there's only one comet, and it's only 5 degrees above the horizon. So, not going to get that. Oh, yeah, not going to get that. That would be cool. Um, Stargazing. Let me try the nebula again. See if anything came into view. Oops. Ooh, Iris Nebula. I did that one when I was up north. I might be able to get that one. Let's see. That would be neat. Hey, Trisha. Is it Trisha or Tricka? Oh, you're gone. Never mind. All right, I think we've had. Hey, good night, kid. I think I'm done with Van Halen. Um, Playlists. Where's my greatest rock and roll stuff? My classic rock. Go with this. Hopefully, be some Pink Floyd. Very quiet to start off with, though. Um, oh, we might be able to get it. Yeah, see, it looks cloudy. I see some haze in that picture. But this is the. I did this one up north, and I forgot. It's pretty small. Might not be a good one to get. Um, Say hi and thank you. All right, have a good night, Blue Eye. Take care. Um, Let me go finish packing up here. Actually, it's like almost midnight, so I need to probably think about. Um, I need to think about picking up, putting everything away. So I do see some clouds. Well, that's not going to work out. Should be. Good thing they didn't go this way. I should have stayed on the Whirlpool Galaxy. The most I have to clean up is actually what's on my porch. That's going to take the longest. So I don't think I like this Galaxy either. Plus there's clouds. But you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and call it a night is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pack everything up and get out of here. I'll get to bed. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.